What's up everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can run your JavaScript code using the Visual Studio Code extension and the Node.js. So for this example, of course, we need the Node.js. So if it's not installed on your computer, go to the nodejs.org and download it for your machine. Then to check if it's installed on your computer, go to the terminal and type in following command, which is node-v. Hit enter and it will give you the version of your Node.js. And after that, we need to go to the extensions tab of the Visual Studio Code and search for code runner. Make sure it's from Junhan. Click install. You can see after I installed this extension, I get this small run option in my Visual Studio Code, and if I click on it, you can see it runs my script. This is the output of my script. Let's change it to something else. Hello world, something else. Run it again. Okay, I need to save the file. Run it again. You can see now I get hello world something else. So this is how easily you can run the JavaScript code in your Visual Studio Code. So I hope you found this video helpful. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.